Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I share videos on the latest tech and helpful tips. If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Connecting a VDG cable to your motherboard, often associated with addressable RGB, ARGB lighting systems, can seem daunting, but with the right guidance and precautions, it's a straightforward process that allows you to synchronize your PC's lighting effects beautifully. Before you even think about touching any components, absolute paramount is ensuring your system is completely powered down and unplugged from the wall socket. This isn't just a recommendation. It's a critical safety measure to prevent electrical shock and potential damage to your sensitive electronics. Furthermore, it's highly advisable to discharge any static electricity from your body by touching a grounded metal object, such as your PC case, or by wearing an anti-static wrist strap. Static electricity is an invisible enemy that can fry components instantly. Once safety is addressed, your next step is to carefully open your PC case and locate the VDG header on your motherboard. These headers are typically 3-pin connectors, often labeled VDG, ARGB_VDG, or sometimes just 5V_G or ADD_header, indicating a 5-volt, data, and ground configuration. It's crucial not to confuse this with a standard 12V RGB header, which usually has 4 pins and a different voltage, as connecting a 5V ARGB device to a 12V RGB header will almost certainly damage the ARGB component. Consult your motherboard manual if you're unsure of its exact location or labeling. With the header identified, examine your VDG cable. It will also be a 3-pin connector, often with a blank or missing pin slot on one side, which helps ensure correct orientation. The cable typically originates from an ARGB device like a fan, LED strip, or an ARGB controller hub. Before attempting to connect, visually align the cable's connector with the pins on the motherboard header. Pay very close attention to the orientation. The blank pin slot on the cable should align with the corresponding missing pin or a solid block on the motherboard header. Or if all pins are present, ensure the 5V, data, and ground labels on the cable match the header. Forcing the connector will bend pins and potentially damage both the cable and the motherboard, leading to costly repairs. Gently, but firmly, push the VDG cable connector onto the motherboard header until it sits snugly and securely. There should be no wobble, indicating a good connection. Double-check that all pins are properly seated and none are bent or misaligned. After the physical connection is made, carefully close up your PC case, reconnect the power cable, and power on your system. The journey isn't quite over yet, as you'll likely need to configure your ARGB lighting through your motherboard's software utility. Most major motherboard manufacturers, like Asus, Armoury Crate, MSI, Mystic Light, Gigabyte, RGB Fusion, and Ashrock, Polychrome Sync, provide dedicated software for managing RGB lighting. Boot into your operating system, install or open the relevant software, and navigate to the lighting control section. Here, you should be able to detect your newly connected ARGB device and customize its lighting effects, colors, and patterns. If your lights aren't working, first recheck the physical connection, ensuring it's firm and correctly oriented. Then verify the software settings, making sure the ARGB header is enabled and a lighting profile is applied. Sometimes, a simple system restart can resolve detection issues. Remember, patience is key when dealing with PC builds and connections. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing for more PC building tips and guides.